Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have another historical American Girl doll, or what they call historical. This one is a friend to Felicity. Let's call her Felicia. And I got her because Karen at Starch and Stitches got one, and we are um, making the outfits and redressing, recreating their historical um, outfits as per the patterns that you can get online. Oh, she's really cute. Thank you. You're welcome. Let me set this over here. I knew her eye was a little messed up. Darren and I are going to try to fix that. This doll I paid more for. I want to see this wig. Um, she's hard to find in good condition, and when you do, you're going to pay. And the wig looks fantastic. Let's get that light on it. Oh, it's better than she said it was. I contacted the seller. This doll started at $85. She sent me an offer for $70, which I know sounds like a lot of money, but I asked her about the doll. I knew about that. And I asked about the wig and everything. And if you have been looking at Elizabeth's on eBay, you know that I got a really good deal. All right, so far, Elizabeth has this very, very cool stand that Darren made and her pearl necklace. She is a friend of Felicity Merriweather. Merriweather? Is that right? Back in 1774, Williamsburg, Virginia. They were little wealthy girls. So you're going to see her in an upcoming collab that we are preparing for now. If you don't watch Karen's channel, Starch and Stitches, and I'm going to tag her in my title. Well, my fingernails aren't going to let me do this on camera. I put on a barrel hook. There we go. If you don't watch Karen, you're missing out. She is, oh my, she's such a good seamstress. Oh, I love doing collabs with her. She is very dependable. She gets her stuff done and up on time. And she's so much fun. I've talked to her on the phone. We text all the time and we email, and she is fun. Yeah, I'm real pleased. Elizabeth has some, if you look through the Elizabeths, a lot of the wigs have problems. So there you go. I'm thrilled. Wait till you see what I made her. So I started on Elizabeth, and I'm using these Pretty Clothes. I guess it's a series. There's 6 sets of at least 4 outfits per doll for the historical American Girl dolls. And I don't have any for Elizabeth, so she and Felicity were supposed to be friends, so I figured the little girls would dress alike. And I used this pattern, and as you can see, it took some finessing to make. I did not do the hat yet. This is the sleeve, the front, and then the back. And I'm real proud of how it came out. It still gets the grommets, and we'll get there. You'll have to come back and see that, but I want to show you the back of my jacket. Look at her hair. Isn't that nice? I got it all combed out. It's just lovely hair. I'm so pleased. And here's the back of her little jacket. Pretty proud of that. Oh. And I made her Felicity wears a coral necklace, and Elizabeth wears a pearl necklace, so I made her that. And I just bought her some shoes. So I'm real pleased to have her, and I'm really excited about doing the Felicity's Pretty Clothes. So Karen, I cannot thank Karen enough. I cannot brag on Karen enough. She is amazing. I mean, in so many ways, but she is a true seamstress. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, subscribe, join us on Thursday nights live, oh, the hair, at 6 p.m. Central.